How you doing, guys? Chris here. So GoPro has confirmed that there will be a new camera coming out in September of 2021. But will it be the same as the last iterations, or will it be something we've been asking for? A new session. Competitors such as Insta360 have already come out with lightweight camera options such as the Smo 4K or the Insta360 Go. We'll even see a variation of the Insta360 Go with the Cadex Peanut. A September release will fall right in line with their last scheduled release of their GoPro Hero 9. But should we be expecting more? Can we expect a new smaller version just like the old sessions? It's not as if GoPro hasn't been paying attention. They've been quick to respond to the new 360 camera market with their own variations. Competitors such as DJI have answered the call to this new smaller action camera market a little differently. They just made the new DJI FPV drone, removing the need for a GoPro altogether. So is GoPro going to continue their trend of every year having a heavier camera, or are they finally going to listen and give us what we've been asking for, a new session? The odds are good, and we'll find out in September. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.